If you are a master's or PhD student looking to study abroad for free this year, please do well to watch this tutorial from the start till the end, because I'm going to be teaching you how to apply for a fully funded scholarship. You will be rejected if after watching this tutorial you just jump straight into applying for the scholarship. It is extremely important that you take a step back and think about it. Am I a good fit for this scholarship? You have to do a diagnosis, and in order to do that, I want you to watch this video here, because it's going to teach you how to do a diagnosis to be sure that you are a good fit for a scholarship before you even go ahead and apply for it. This particular video has a worksheet, so do well to download it, use it as notes, compare the scholarship, do the assessment before you go ahead and apply for it, else you'll just be wasting your time. I'm going to put the video at the end here, so after watching this one, go ahead and watch that before you make a choice if you should be applying for the scholarship or not. So today I am going to be teaching you how to apply to the Joint Japan World Bank Scholarship. And as usual, I'm going to start from my Scholarships Abroad DIY Toolkit, which is a weekly updated database of scholarships. And it has scholarships, graduate assistantships, application fee of universities, low tuition fee universities, CV samples, SOP samples, research proposal samples. So this is like your one-stop shop to help you throughout your entire scholarship application process. And if you haven't had access to this database, please do well to purchase access to the database. If you do not have access and you cannot purchase it, just go online and type the Join Japan World Bank Scholarship, because that is what I am going to be teaching you how to apply for today. So in order to start, I am going to type in the Join Japan World Bank Scholarship, and as you can see, the deadline, it actually has two deadlines, February 28th and 23rd of May. This is a scholarship for master's students, and I'm going to click the link to the official website of the scholarship. So this is the website of the scholarship, and as you can see, it's the World Bank Scholarship Program, and this is actually it is called the Joint Japan World Bank Graduate Scholarship, and this actually is a scholarship that has been going on for a while now, and it has window 1 and window 2. And the reason why I'm showing you this is because window 1, I'm going to open it up, is the one that actually has the deadline here, which is February 28th. So if you're going to be applying on window 1, you do not have a lot of time. You need to hurry up and do your applications as soon as possible. But if you are going to be applying on window 2, you can see that window 2, the deadline is May 23rd, 2025. So you still have some time to prepare your documents to apply for the scholarship. So let us just dive into window 1 of it for those that are wanting to apply as soon as possible. So step 1 of this scholarship is actually applying to these participating universities. So I'm going to just go through the universities. Window 1 doesn't have a ton of universities, so you have to apply to these universities, and then after you've had either like a conditional or unconditional offer, I think it's by June, the website of the, or sometime soon, the website is going to open up, then you'll be able to apply for it. But if you've applied for this and you're waiting for the scholarship to open up, it's okay, just keep waiting. They are going to let you know when the website has opened for you to submit your applications for the World Bank Scholarship, okay? So as I said, step 1, you come to these universities, then you look at the programs, and then you apply for it and get an offer, okay? So here we have Columbia University, Masters in Economic Policy Management, Columbia University still, Masters in Global Leadership, Johns Hopkins University's Public Health. So many of you have told me that you're public health students. And then you have KIT in Amsterdam, MSc in Public Health and Health Equity, University of California, Berkeley, Masters in Development Practice, University of Tokyo, Masters in Public Policy, University of Tsukuba, Masters in Economic and Public Policy, and then Williams College, you have the Master of Art and Policy Economics, and then Yale University, Master in Systemic Risk. So those that are going to be applying for this first window, remember, you do not have a lot of time. Go ahead and submit your applications as soon as possible. Now let's go to window 2. By the way, is this helping you? If it is, please let me know in the comment comment section, and I will really appreciate it if you can help me too by hitting the like icon and subscribing to this channel if you haven't already. And if you're feeling very generous, please do well to just click that share icon. Share the video in your WhatsApp groups, on social media, with your friends, with your family, or anybody that can benefit from this. These are the people who still have some time, and I think they have more universities and more programs. I'm not going to read all of this. I'm just going to read the names of the universities, but as I scan through, look through to see if your major is there. So we have Australia National University, Crawford School of Public Policy, and then you have Brandeis University, the Heller School of Social Policy and Management, and then you have Columbia University, School of International and Public Affairs. You have Erasmus Universities. This is Institute of Housing and Urban Development Studies, IHS Rotterdam, and then you have Harvard University, Kennedy School of Government. Then you have IHE Delft, Institute of Water Education. Then you have Keio University, and then you have London School of Economics and Political Sciences. And then you have National Graduate Institute of Policy Studies, GRIPS. You have Saitama Universities. You have SOS University of London. Then you have Stanford University, Université Clermont-Auvergne in Fendi. And then you have University of Leeds, and then University of Oxford, 16 University of Tokyo, and Yokohama National University. So these are the universities. Go through the various programs. Let's just take, for example, if I click Masters in Climate Change, let us see what is going to happen. Okay, let's see, Masters in Climate Change. They give us information about it, and here you go. You see apply. So if you come there, you click on it, you'll be able to do your applications. And once you do your applications and you are done, then you will have to wait. Okay, you see domestic applicants, international applicants. I like how I just keep clicking forward. Now we go to the part. So now this is the regular portals where if you don't have an account, you have to register for an account. If you have an account, you can log in, and in this portal you will have to submit, answer various questions, upload all your documents, and when you're done, you submit. Then you wait for your offer letter. Once you get your offer letter, then you will be ready to apply for the scholarship. So let me know if you have any questions about the World Bank scholarship. Flood the comment section. Tell me if you're applying for this, all of the students. And as I said, if you like this video, please do well to like, comment, subscribe. And if you're feeling generous, do well to share the video in your WhatsApp groups, on social media, and to your friends and family. Please remember, I have 3 services that I offer. I have a Scholarships Abroad DIY Toolkit. This is your one-stop shop for everything that you need with scholarships. It has samples to CVs, samples to SOPs, samples to research proposals. It has scholarships, it has graduate assistantships, no tuition fee universities, and it is updated weekly. So every week you have new things to work on. Also, I have a service called Personal Profile Assessment and Scholarship Matching, and this is a service that lets you send me your CV and your certificate. I study it and I match you with scholarships that you are a good fit for. I also offer one-on-one mentorship. So if you want to work with me one-on-one, I work with you from the start till the end of your scholarship application process. So the link is in the description box. Sign up and I'll be very happy to work with you. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that this was helpful. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.